Hey there. I can't figure this out. Sometimes my video comes up, my face comes up down here. Sometimes it doesn't. We prefer it not to, so let me exit out of that. So I wanted to show you a way to type in a math equation into some of these Schoology applications. Sometimes that's useful if you don't want to have to take a picture of your work or try to type it on regular keyboard. Um, we're going to go to this insert content key. That's where you would insert a picture, uh, anything else. You can see all this stuff. Um, to type in a math equation, I'm going to hit equation. So this math formula equation will pop up, and I'm going to try to type in what I already had typed in. So first of all, it's a fraction. Probably find that to type in a fraction up here somewhere. But what I like to do is just go x divided by, and then it just gives me a fraction. So I'm going to cursor up to this x and just type in now what I want it to be. And it was x squared. So for x squared, you can go up to here somewhere and look for a superscript key. It's right here. Here's a fraction. Here's a superscript. But it's probably easier just to type in the caret, the thing above the 6. So let me try that again. So I'm going to start over. X divided by. So I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to X and then caret set or 2, so squared. Then you have to arrow over so you're off of the exponent. It's plus 4x plus 3. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom. Make sure the whole bottom is highlighted like this. And it was the cube root of x to the 4th plus 1. So I'm going to go to these equations, go to this y root, hit it, cursor up to here to write the 3. Make sure the cursor is in that blank. So cube root, click to the radicand, x, caret to the 4th, arrow over, plus 1. I think my original one said f of x equals, so I'm going to click back here, f of x equals. So if you play with that for a couple of minutes, you'll get the hang of it. I inserted that. There we go. Now, if I wanted to say solve this fraction, say set it equal to 0, which you're doing a lot, the fraction equals 0 and the top equals 0. So if I'm just going to show you how to solve this with the equation editor, I will insert content, equation, and we're trying to now solve x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. I can now just insert that. And then my factoring, I'll just factor that by inserting another equation. So I have x plus 3, x plus 1 equals 0. And then you get the idea. Then I can just write my solutions down here, x equals -3, x equals -1. So hopefully that helps. So happy calculusing.